What's up, seeds? It's your boy Peasy Reed. It is March 12th when I'm recording this video. That means there are 19 more days until March is over and some fire sneak releases, and you know what that means, boy. You know what that means. Today's video will be about the Yeezy Powerphases that are coming out this Saturday, March 17th. Now, surprisingly, these do not seem as limited as everyone thought they would be, because on Twitter, I saw that Foot Locker will be getting them, which is a first, you know. Anyway, let's get on to the release. First off, go on your iPhone right now and sign up for Adidas Confirmed app. As you guys will see, it is only certain locations, so you will have to spoof your location to get into the zone if you aren't already for when these drop. If you guys don't know how to do that, then check the video in the description and that will help you out. Next up, there will most likely be a drop on adidas.com with a splash page, so we all know that we will have to use the multiple people jig on this. And once again, if you guys don't know how to do that, then check the description for that video. We also cannot forget about Yeezy supply, and I honestly feel that Yeezy supply is getting easier and easier to cop on. A good tip for you guys to cop on Yeezy supply is to use the Restocks app. Also, keep an eye out on Twitter and you might be lucky to find checkout links. For the people that don't know, checkout links are links that immediately bypass the queue and you can check out. If you guys are on a computer, then make sure you have autofill set up. Now, going back to them being available on Foot Locker. The Foot Locker shows 8 stores in the US getting them, so we would be seeing reservations open for them on the Foot Locker app as well. Foot Locker app is usually a big L unless you have the 10-minute head start and you need a VIP account for that. It is still worth a try though, you never know. There will be a million other sites that these shoes will be releasing on, and there are a handful of raffles. I will link some of them in the description, but we are just focusing on the big picture. Last but not least, they will be retailing for $120. Resale on these, on my opinion, will be about $250 or so. Pretty good profit if you ask me. Anyway, that will be all for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like. If you have any questions or video recommendations, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to get back to you guys. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, okay? Thank you all for watching, and let's cook together, you feel me? It's been your boy Peasy Reed, and I'm out!